travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination.
I'm going home, home sweet home. Pack and get ready with me to go home. I am going to Jamaica for a couple days. Welcome to or back to the channel. I'm Shawna. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your bell notification on because I'm going home to Jamaica and I'm taking you guys along with me for 5 days, I think. Here in my bathroom trying to figure out what fragrance to take with me. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I'm going home for a couple days. The food, the culture, the party. Oh my god, you do not want to miss my Jamaican vlogs. I have so much content that I will be creating in Jamaica. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Super excited, but am I ready to go? There's so much I have to get done. I have a nail appointment in the next hour and a half. I also need to get my bikini and my armpit wax. And I need to go to the store. Oh, I need to go to the store. There's so much to get done. I leave tomorrow night, which is a bit stressful because in Charlotte, you do not have a straight flight from Charlotte to Kingston, Jamaica. So I will be connecting. I think this is the first time in my life over the past 14 years since I'm in America, I will be doing a connecting flight to go home. Can you imagine? I'm so excited for my weekend to turn up in Jamaica with my cousins. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Let's go pack. My closet is a mess. There's so much going on in my closet right now, but there is some progress because I started to lay a couple stuff down on my bed. So we got stuff to do. But yeah, let's start get packing. It's going to be a long night at the airport. You guys keep me company while I'm doing a layover in Fort Lauderdale. It's only 5 days, so I don't think I need more than 2 fragrance. I need to step up my perfume fragrance because it's not much going on here, but I'm thinking I'm gonna take my Fenty right here along with, I love my Tom Ford. This Tom Ford fragrance just make you smell fresh all day long, and I will be partying a lot, so we're taking this Tom Ford home. These are my choice of fragrance, my Fenty and my Tom Ford. Listen, I am going back and forth of which suitcase to take with me. The hard luggage right here, this one right here is so filthy, need to be washed. So over here I have a couple stuff that I somewhat, you know, pair together like day by day what the vibe's going to be. This is for a party. So excited for this party. So that my Gucci sneakers, this skirt suit right here. I love these Jeffrey Campbell slippers with a you know, the army skirt that everyone is wearing these days. But yeah, I got a couple fun stuff to play with. kind of party vibes, not too much, but this is pretty much. I have some stuff over there for my baby Zay Zay. If you are a #1 subscriber from like February, March, when I was in Jamaica, and you know when Nikki, my cousin, was having baby Zay Zay, she got so big. I cannot wait to see her. But this is pretty much the vibe for the weekend. Over here, my Gucci sneakers, my MCM purse, my Tory Burch slippers, some nice skimpy outfit going on, not really showing too much. If you want to check the fit out, follow me on Instagram at Shawna. I think it's I am Shawna something. Keep on changing the name. But yeah, this is pretty much what I'm working with. Along with, I need to get into my closet to take a couple stuff out. I'm excited to play these card games. Listen, you do not want to miss this weekend. There's so much games coming up. I have a lot of fits for my baby Zay Zay. I'm so excited to see her. Oh my god. It feels just about right. Should not be overweight. I hope. I pray. If you know say you lose a good girl over for free, so take your time and think about that.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we've reached Welcome to Kingston, Jamaica, where the local time is 11:20 a.m. We know you're ready to go, but please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Carrying them sold until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate, and the captain turn off the fasten seatbelt signs. Welcome to the Northern Package International Airport. Passengers are reminded not to leave any bag unattended. All bags left unattended.
Okay guys, I'm here with miserable Leroy. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. It is miserable stuff, and I'm tired and I'm hungry. I am not in the mood, okay? I don't have the strength to argue with you. I'm so sorry. It was a rough landing. What you blow your on for? You don't have to blow. What's wrong with you?
Shall go in the next lane.
But you not for blowing, if I have patience. Suppose him on the phone and try to figure out the person come round or the person comes at the airport or something. Like, damn. I am so hungry, but I'm home. I am so ready to turn up. Oh my god, Leroy. We're going to a party later. I can't believe I missed Taboo last night because my flight got cancelled. Ugh. But I'm here, it's safe and sound. You know, say hi to the vlog. You know, it's time people, I was to ask for Leroy. Say hi. Come now before I show your face. Say hi. You need a soldier man something to do.
We are soldier.
Everybody are weird. The camouflage soldier stuff. You're in the inn. You're in what's going on.
I'm soldier.
You know, say hi. If you don't say, I'm going to show your face. 1.
Then show it. My
2.
Face is so nice.
3. Sure.
You know, say your love is that my love.
You're damn right.
Good.
Welcome to Jamaica.
So,
The land of food and water. The system might not, but we love the food and the culture. Whoa, can't it? Leroy, what wrong with you? Nobody, listen, nobody.
so we have to spin you something so hard like you want papi off.
What come I tell you if I turn down and turn back up? I say you show love by fighting with people. I mean you miss me and then one time you don't see me. And before you hug me, you fight with me. No. Why Jamaican people stay so?
Why you know so-called American stay so?
You know, I forgot my Jamaican passport, and it's when I reached in the land I was, oh my god. And then the local screen thing asked me, are you a tourist or are you here for business? I'm like, what? Let's do tourists, okay? I forgot my Jamaican passport. Well, you're right, you know KFC, you know.
A joke, I'll make you talk.
You buy KFC? I have KFC in a bag. So the KFC up on the back seat. Come here, look at me and say there's no way you can compete up with no coconut water, no jelly, no banana chips, no nothing. And look where you hide it. It fit everything, you know. I get KFC.
Shop your night trunk.
I'm gonna put my food. So the bag for chirp. I get juice, you know. But this outdoor, take up your phone. That's a cup holder, sir, not a phone holder. Thank you. Oh my god! You see, you didn't kill me up on airport road.
Because
you almost killed me on airport road for some Jamaican KFC. I wonder why. You know how when me I travel?
I'm going to stop and pull over and make you eat.
Okay. You're going to Benz you have. Not because your car is a 2023.
It's a Kia.
Not because your car brand new. My car is brand new too. Welcome to the brand new car. So I'm gonna know where you come show up for me. Like how you alone have new car. My car new too.
When I step up the vehicle and I want to get the bike.
I'm gonna eat original enough, sir.
An original and about spicy.
No, I don't want this. The barbecue. I don't like original. So you're gonna go somewhere else? You know me don't like.
And you know, say, alright, me.
The disappointment.
We can't disappoint you, that's all.
Because you know me only eat the barbecue wings. And it's barbecue. Why would you get spicy?
No barbecue wings.
Then you go somewhere else.
Where else? It's the last KFC to hear me stop. I want to have a view. So where else must I go?
You just disappoint me. Oh, we just send him gun court, right?
No.
That's the prison?
Yes.
That's not gun court?
Nope.
Wait name.
Penitentiary.
So you don't even know.
Penitentiary prison.
What the court? I know gun court. It's
No.
gun court.
Gun court, they have to go up. Gun court, they ban something there. Gun court, they have to go up JDF. On Camp Road.
So
Camp Road.
and what's the name of that prison?
The prison, the penitentiary prison.
The prison in penitentiary prison. You have tag on your car? Yeah, you have tag. Okay, you reckon?
Tag company
It's
car.
what's the price? $320.
The price reduced from. So why not? You know, tag company.
You don't have any tag. Embarrassment. The guy come. You don't have no money, do you, right?
You have more than money for this.
Hi. The money finished, right? Yeah, the man say you broke.
Money can't finish. It cannot finish.
You have a short?
It's impossible.
Why you have to be so aggressive?
Okay, money can't finish. But it can't finish.
Why can't finish?
Because of 5,000 we put money.
Alright, why?
In our latitude, we see the valid come.
Of 5,000 I put on this.
In our latitude, come over here so I talk to them. In our latitude.
When you put 5,000 on it?
First, I come and talk to them.
Alright, yeah, thank you. You aggressive, does he
No,
road?
because tell me something.
Yeah, but you don't have to shout at him like that. You might do work and you might help in the way you have to be disrespectful. That's so rude, man.
And the money pop up. So
Yeah, you're right, but the way you have to behave.
a $5,000.
You're not-
When the woman that take me vehicle drive go work, she says she put money.
You don't have to be
When me there foreign, I'm in a drive through here, so if
you don't have to be embarrassed around me now. You don't have to be embarrassed.
Can me just come through the bloody place
I
and
understand
you that tell me say low tag. And that would have tell me low. It should have tell me. Yeah. So me know that, so you can't done.
Your money done, sir.
You done, man.
With a little bit of money.
Can't done.
Your money finished. Make a beg one blind for you.
No beg no, please don't beg no beg that man window. No, I beg.
You're aggressive. Thank you, sweetheart. I see no. You hungry?
Yeah, everything in one.
I can't tell them treatment
No,
here.
I'm foolish. Man, I tell me about. I privilege me drive when me driving at this now. I go through this.
I'm feel shame. You're right. You look a bit of money done. Sorry.
Money not done. I'm going to make them check it. Okay, I like this. I like this. See it? It's like that. And this one and this one. Why you love inner people phone, so?
Come here and
You
play
know,
this
say me
song.
I'm miserable and the man just make me get miserable. Piss me off. Check the card for me and tell me how much money they pay, please. You can't see? Alright, swipe it and see if they can go through.
It's an invalid tag. See there? The man wrong. It's
A $5,000 I put on this, so if you all the money enough for
it's
the
an invalid tag. Embarrass yourself.
$5,000.
But that's a year ago, Leroy.
Which year ago? A couple of days, I not even use it all. Show me money gone.
Maybe you register, yes.
Come like a stressed rat. Thank you very much, man. First, me I see one new $50.
Mama see it? Ah, the new money. Jamaica new $50. OMG. Jamaica new $50. You know you're not getting back this year.
Put up my $50.
It reminds me of like the
First
pound.
one, yeah, see.
It reminds me of. Is the first time you getting one?
Yes, me just get $100 to if you want, you never make me stay there.
I'm taking this. Yeah. Jamaica, new money. I am here. What? I am here. I am home. The flight land rough. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I had a long night. My flight got cancelled and I was in Fort Lauderdale for 10 hours layover. So upset. But I'm finally in Jamaica, safe and sound, with a miserable Leroy. But I'm here, home sweet home. But I am going to get done. I'm looking like a hot mess. Need to get my hair done, all that. So I'm going to end this vlog right here. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to end this vlog right here and start my Jamaican vlogs. I'm so excited. Leroy, stop staring at me. What's your problem?